Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Sakila binti Saleh from JIM 2463B class. Alright, for your information, this video is about the dysfunctional USB ports. So, in this video, I'm going to share and explain to you about the reason why the USB ports are not working, and also I'm going to share with you about the solutions of this problem. Why did the USB ports are not working? The problem can be tracked down either a software or hardware failure. So, how to solve this problem? So, let's look for the first method. First, click the start button and searching for device manager. Next, click the Universal Serial Bus Controllers. And then, click here for its properties. And then, go to Power Management. And then, click here. And then click OK. If the previous method are not working, let's try another method. First, go to the device manager. Then, choose the Universal Serial Bus Controller. And then, right-clicking here and uninstall the device. And then, restart the laptop or your PC. Next, I am going to share the third method. As for the third method, first, you can unplug the charger from the laptop. After that, restart the laptop. After you restart the laptop, connect USB to the laptop again. And then, connect the charger. If this not working too, let's try another method. As for the fourth method, check for physical damage. Firstly, you can insert the USB device on its port, and then pull the device inserted up and down. Look either it loose or not. If you get your USB parts loose, here are the ways to fix it. So, what we can do when our USB ports were loose? We need to tighten the USB port on our laptop. Firstly, get the screwdriver and pull the two pins up on the USB ports that loose carefully, as it can damage your USB ports. Do turn off your laptop fully and unplug any batteries if possible before doing this. If the USB ports too tight, you can pushing the pins back down. After doing this, turn on your laptop and insert the USB device back on its port to check either it can be fit on its port or not. In conclusion, we can see that the major causes of USB ports not working came from the hardware and also software problems. However, it still can be fixed to ensure the USB ports can be function well. Thank you for watching my video.